Hi guys, we're here with Motorcycles and Barns today to give you a complete run-through of how to set up the Carbit Ride app on your mobile phone and connect it straight to the Vogue 800 dashboard so that you can have your navigation, control, and everything else displayed directly on your dash. So, we're here now to talk about the Carbit Ride app and how to connect it to your Vogue. First, we're going to turn the ignition on and just wait for that to activate. Once the dash powers up, we'll open the Carbit Ride app on the phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, it doesn't matter, as the app is available on both platforms. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a disclaimer and prompts requesting access to location services and Bluetooth. Simply allow those permissions and proceed. Once done, you'll arrive at the main screen of the app, as shown here. Next, we're going to press Connect. At this point, Carbit Ride will ask for permission to access your camera, as you'll need to scan a QR code displayed on your bike's dash. On the switchgear, press the Up button, and your Vogue 800 dashboard will display two QR codes. The one on the left is for users who already have the Carbit Ride app installed, while the right one is for those who haven't downloaded it yet. If you haven't managed to download the app from the App Store or Play Store, simply scan the right-hand QR code using your phone's regular camera. It'll automatically take you to the correct store page for downloading the Carbit Ride app. Once you've installed it, you can follow the same steps we're showing here. Now, for those who already have the app, scan the left-hand QR code using the Carbit Ride app's camera. When prompted, allow the app to join the Wi-Fi network displayed. Tap Join, and you'll notice the dashboard showing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection icons, indicating the pairing process has started. Within seconds, you'll be connected to the car display mode, and the dash will show that the devices are linked. Press Connect now, and you'll see the main Carbit Ride interface appear on your Vogue's display, complete with a navigation-ready map layout. Next, let's set up navigation. Tap on the Navigation tab within the app. This brings up a map interface similar to Google Maps on your phone. To start searching for destinations, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it. We'll pause here while we create an account. Alright, we're back. I've just created an account using my Apple ID, though you can also use your Google email or any other option available. The setup is straightforward. Once your account is created, you'll return to the map screen. Now, when you tap Search, it will prompt you for a payment option. The app offers three: a one-time trial fee of 99 pence, a monthly subscription of £2.99, or a yearly plan for £7.99. We're going to go ahead with the one-time 99 pence trial. Complete the purchase, and once it's successful, you'll see a confirmation screen. After completing the payment, you'll be able to use navigation. Let's test it by typing London into the search bar. As you can see, it pops right up. Tap on it, hit go, and instantly, the navigation starts. The route is displayed clearly on your Vogue 800 dash, showing turn-by-turn guidance, road details, and estimated travel time. You'll still see all your essential bike info: gear indicator, speed, fuel level, coolant temperature, clock, and air temperature, while having the map layered on top. It's a sleek integration that makes riding so much more convenient. Now, let's say you want to turn your phone screen off, but still keep the navigation running on the dash. Simply press the lock icon on the Carbit Ride app. This will dim your phone's screen and leave only the time visible, but it won't fully power off the phone. If you actually lock the phone using the side button, as I'll do now on my iPhone, you'll notice the dash switches to a simplified point-by-point navigation mode instead of the full map. This is purely a matter of preference. Some riders prefer the detailed map view, while others are fine with the simpler turn prompts. To return to the full map display, just unlock your phone, and the full interface will reappear on your dash. To exit navigation, use the arrows at the bottom of the screen, press them, swipe up, and you'll be back to the main Carbit Ride app menu. Once you've finished setting up your navigation and features, let's go over the rest of the dashboard functions. On the left-hand switchgear, press the back button, and it'll take you to your normal home display. On the right-hand switchgear, you have a mode button that toggles between sport and normal riding modes. Each mode changes the display slightly to suit your riding style. To access your bike settings, press the Enter button on the right-hand controls. This brings up a menu where you can scroll across to different options. The first section displays contacts and recent calls, allowing you to make or receive calls directly from your dash if your phone is paired via Bluetooth. The next section is for control. If you have a headset connected to your helmet, you can skip tracks, pause, play, or adjust the volume directly from your handlebar controls. Lastly, you have your system settings, where you can adjust display preferences, connection settings, and more. Overall, it's a very advanced dashboard, combining technology, convenience, and rider-focused design. With the Carbit Ride app fully connected, you now have access to seamless navigation, playback, call management, and real-time riding data, all integrated into one sleek display. It's intuitive, functional, and a huge step forward in motorcycle connectivity.